She has like my hair, but a little bit more shorter and like this.
What happened with you?
And I ignore what she said.
Did you still remember what she said?
Nope.
Or you see just
Because ignoring is good.
What?
Because ignoring is good. If someone says something bad to you, you have to ignore. Ignore means don't listen to them.
Don't listen to them. And then what else? What else that you can do? Alithia, if somebody telling you bad things, what will you do?
Ignore.
Yeah, ignore. Alithia, do you have any opinion? If somebody asking you, I'm asking now, Alithia. Or Ruth, maybe?
I just ignore it.
How about you, Ruth? If somebody telling bad things to you, what will you do?
I never get bullied.
Oh, you never get bullied. You're lucky.
No.
But if somebody telling you bad things, what will you do? You have your teacher, right? Why don't you tell?
Ignore.
Yeah, first ignore, and the second one, maybe you can tell the adult to help you, right? Like in the example movie just now, the what we call it, that one?
By the way,
Yeah,
if you know if someone says something bad, you have to click the like button. Yeah, usually you do that. What? Evil. But
okay.
Mr. has a YouTube channel. Did you not know?
Wait, yeah, okay, wait. I'm going to share you this one. Oh, this one. Okay, I'm going to share you guys the slide about stop bullying. Okay, can you see that?
Bullying. Yay, stop bullying. That's my favorite part.
Yeah, stop bullying. Okay, can you see that? Okay, I need somebody to help me to read. Maybe Alithia first. After Alithia, Ivo will read and Ruth will read. Ready, Alithia? Ready, 1, 2, go.
I know what is bullying means. Next.
And then I can
create an anti-bullying poster.
I can create an anti-bullying poster. And then
I can share my knowledge with others.
okay, right after you're done, you have to share it with us. Okay. Next, Ivo, help me to read this one.
Bullying is the use for
Of force, coercion or treat, coercion or to abuse.
I'm not very good at reading.
It's okay. That's why we learn. I'm not very good also. I make mistake a lot, but I will try. Come on, try it. Or treat, to abuse.
Or treat,
To abuse.
to abuse.
Aggressively.
Aggressive.
Dominate.
Dominate or
Intimidate.
intimidate.
The behavior.
The behavior is
Often repeated and habitual. Yeah, usually we call the one who bully us with the name bully. That one is the bully or bully. Yeah, bullies means so many people. Bully means one person. Okay. The bully will always like use the force. He will force you to do something. He will kick you. He will push you. He will punch you. He will use verbally. He will use his power to do something, and then it's aggressive.
Well, the girl in my class room is not doing all of that because she's nice.
Yeah, I like this nice people. Yeah. All right. Next will be I need Ruth to read. Ready, Ruth? 1, 2, go.
Physical bullying.
4 types of
bullying.
One is first.
First, physical bullying.
Okay.
Second, verbal bullying. And
The third.
what?
The third one is social bullying.
Third, social bullying. And fourth,
Cyber.
cyberbullying.
Okay. Physical bullying. Anyone can help me? What is the example of physical bullying? Alithia, come on. What the example of physical bullying?
He's smiling, maybe to someone.
Who knows what is physical bullying means?
I don't know.
Physical. Physic. Yeah?
Fighting or punching, I don't know.
Yeah, fighting and punching. You know what? The keyword is physical. Physical. Okay? It has to be touch, pushing, punching, kicking, something like that.
Well, the girl in my classroom always cuts the line.
Oh, that's maybe the another problem. It's not a part of bullying, but maybe the behavior, or maybe the self-management.
Look, I name myself Evil and Ruth XOXO, and Ruth named herself Ruth and Evil XOXO.
Okay, verbal bullying means like verbally. You use your mouth to discredit somebody, or you trying to say a bad word using your verbal. That's why don't use a bad word to say or to discriminate your friend or to judge your friend. Okay, just say something nice. Okay, oh, you're so pretty.
Aletia's mom ever said that?
Oh, say what? Oh, you're so pretty, Evo, like that.
No, not like that, but the one that you just said.
Like what?
Don't say like
that
someone is the worst, and
yeah, maybe all of the parents wants us to speak nicely. Yeah, don't say a bad word.
Yeah, don't make people cry.
Yeah,
sometimes my mommy just pinch my own bottom and it hurts. my mommy pinch my own leg and then it hurts for a while.
Say, mommy, like, mommy, that is bullying because you have a physical bullying to me.
No, because I actually did. Sometimes I do bad things, sometimes I don't. But when I do bad things, sometimes I roll around on the bed.
Oh my God, that's why.
And make the bed messy. What?
Okay, social bullying and cyberbullying. Okay, next. Let's make a poster about anti-bullying. All right, this is the tips how to make it good. Yeah. Wait, this is the tips how to make your poster looks good. Okay, this usually always effective when you're creating the poster. First, make the headline big. Headlines means judulnya.
Can I say something?
Yeah. Go.
Okay, so anyway, I was trying to say, if there's no corona, I will show this posting to the bully girl which is in my school.
Yeah. Okay. Are you done with that? Yeah, okay. This is the tip.
Notes.
Okay, this is the tips how to make your poster looks impressive, effective, and then cool. Yeah. First, make the headline big. Anti-bullying, stop bullying, or what? Use the symbols. Okay, the symbols like head like this, or like the cross, the circle with the cross like that. Put the message in it. Okay, put the message inside your poster and color it nicely. All right.
I'm not good at reading and writing.
From now on, Mr. Al don't care that you are cannot or you're not good in some part. Okay, I always care that you are able to do your best. All right.
Yeah. Mr. Al, I wanted to say something.
Yes, good. Come on.
I'm gonna use this one. When I was still little, I was drawing scribbles because I didn't know how to write letters. But then when I go bigger, I started to copy the symbols of the letters, and then I can already spell Spell the words.
Oh, sure. Oh, yeah, that is a very
That's the same as me.
interesting. Yeah. Okay. Now, I want everybody to draw two people. Two people. They are holding hands together, and one of their hand is raising head upside like this, and then the other one will be like this. Okay, they are holding together, and then we will put stop bullying, make friends, something like that. Okay, are you ready, everybody?
Prepare
Okay.
your markers.
And you will get lost again later on. All right, this is my paper.
What? What is that smiley face? Rectangle smiley face? What does that mean?
What? Where do you see that rectangle?
We can use the laptop.
Oh, okay.
What is Igor and XOXO? Love heart face with a love heart eyes, and square and rectangle and love heart face with love heart eyes. What does that mean? That is because
What?
of each other.
All right, come on, Alithia, prepare your paper. And Ivo, let's try to make the poster. Yeah, first, draw.
Okay, hold on, but I need to turn off my background. Everyone, if you have a background, turn it off.
Yeah, and don't forget to place your camera to your paper if it is possible, so that Mr. R can see the.
Like
Mm-mm.
yeah, whatever.
Okay, and this one is okay, I will not wait for you because I know that you already know how to draw people, right? Okay, I will not wait for you because you already know how to draw it. And then all you need to do is just draw two person holding hands together that representing that they are.
Yeah, I have a good idea. I have a good idea.
Okay, this is the something like that. And then yeah, this person are like that. Okay, and they are all are smiling.
I want to draw a boy holding a girl up.
I think Ruth, that one is a little bit too small. Make it more bigger, please.
I think Ruth is going to make like a boy carry a girl.
What? Okay, guys, please. I don't want to see the object too small, okay? You already learned how to draw people since 1 month ago. I want you to prove it once again, please. Remember the U letter first, the cracking egg line, the zigzag line on the pony of the person, and then try to draw the neck, and then don't forget to draw the hands longer because this is not a dwarf. This is the humans normal have a long hand. Okay, make it more. If you think that you want to redo again, please change the paper or use the back side so that you can change from the beginning again then. Yeah, draw the person big because we're going to put the word here. Stop bullying. All right, we're going to share to our friend later on in the social media so that they will stop doing bullying because bullying is not really good. Don't forget, if you get bullied by somebody, what will you do?
Ignore.
Yes, the first one is ignore, or the second one, if it is possible, you have to say what? To say to somebody?
Are the parents?
Yeah, you just ask some adult around you to help you. All right? Don't just solve it by yourself. You have to ask the adult to help you. If you have your teachers, yeah, if you have your teachers around your area, you can just talk to your teachers like Miss or Mister, I get bullied by somebody, she or he just telling something bad to me, and I feel hurt, and yeah, I cannot hold my cry, I cannot hold my tears because actually I want to cry, but yeah, wait until you can help me to stop this bullying.
Well,
Uh,
I was trying to say, for example,
mm,
there's someone already bullied you,
mm,
and you tell the teacher like this.
like what?
Miss, I saw a bully bullying me. And then the teacher will say something to the bully.
Yeah, don't forget also, please, you don't bully others. We're talking about somebody else, but you bully your friend. No, okay? Please always remember to act nice to our friend, say nice thing, and then don't even lower down yourself. For example, you say that, Mr. Al, my drawing is not really good, or I'm not good in reading, or something. No, you have to say it in your heart. I can do it, Mr. Al. Thank you so much. I will do my best to read. I will do my best to listening, everything like that. Yeah, that's it, the point of today. All right, we're going to write down stop bullying. If it is possible, you can use your pencil, and I'm going to teach you how to write. Yeah, how to write.
Stop bullying.
Mhm. I'm going to teach you
What
how.
happened to my hand? What happened to my hand? It looks like wings, but that's fine.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, you draw. Oh, I think Ruth, the leg is too small. Can you make it more longer until facing the edge of the paper? Just make it all goes down.
I want to say something.
Ruth, the leg of the girl is too small. It's too short. Make it more longer, please. Make it touch the end of the edge of the paper. Go down, please, Ruth. Make it go
Well,
down. Yeah, here, Ruth.
the leg is inside of the skirt.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I know, but the leg is too short. It's like a duck, not like a human. I'm sorry, Ruth, but yeah, you have to make it more longer, the leg. Yeah?
Okay. Maybe I'll draw just another one.
No, it's okay, Ruth. That's really good. I'm sorry. That makes you feel down. That's really good. Just, yeah, go. Use a straight line to go down until the end of the paper for the leg.
But I don't know how to do it.
Okay. Come on, Ruth. You can do it. Okay. I want you to put the line from the skirt. Come on, put the line and goes down. Make it more long.
I'm,
Like,
I'm well, but if I put a line down, then this one will still be seen.
be creative. You can cover it with color. Be creative. You can cover it with color later on. Yeah, make it. Oh yeah, good. Come on, Ruth. You can solve the problem. Yeah, good job. Now you
This
can.
skirt. I like
Yeah,
this skirt actually.
yeah. Now draw the leg. Go down. That will be the skirt decoration, and then now you can draw the legs. Come on.
What
Now,
legs?
like this, Ruth. Can you see me, please? Okay, Ruth. You ready to draw people like this, right?
Yes.
Like the skirt like that. Can you make it just only like this? This is the leg goes down like that.
Okay, but it might be too small because it's so. Oh my goodness, I cannot draw this one.
It's okay, Ruth. Just put it on like this. See? Like mine.
Remember what Mr. Al said.
Yeah, come on, follow me.
But
Actually,
you see that I draw this, then I draw the big part, so the
yeah.
leg gonna be little like that.
Now you just need to draw the leg like this, Ruth. Two leg goes down. Draw like this, Ruth.
I already draw it like that, but I already draw it like.
Okay, yeah. Okay then. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, you don't have any space, yeah.
Yes, I don't have any
Yeah,
space.
it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, that will be the skirt, yeah. So that we cannot see the legs. Okay, now for the boys, make it more longer. Make the leg more longer, please.
I am going to say something.
Okay, go, Ivo.
I'm going to make the um, mom holding the kids sing because the kid did the right thing and she was smart enough.
Okay. Yeah, you can do that kind of thing. Remember that you are the baby elephant, yeah? So I will only like support you. I will not trying to hold you.
I'm gonna draw a headband about a Hello Kitty headband.
Yeah, nice. That is a good idea. Oh, you have a nice headband. That's
I'm
really
gonna
good.
draw patterns.
Yeah. Oh, what is that? Is that brother and sister or friends?
Sister,
Oh, sister.
little sister.
Okay. Now it's time for us to write down the.
I'm gonna draw a candy.
Oh,
A
yeah.
what? Candies. Oh.
Okay, if you have your marker, you can write down here. Follow me. See, Mr. Alice writing. Stop first. S T O P. Okay, stop. And this is the tips how to make your word, your letter looks more bigger. Okay, you just
B.
you just write a line outside. Oh, Ruth, are you there?
Yes, I am there. You see my hand?
Yeah. Can you please write down stop bullying first, please, Ruth, on the top part of your paper?
Yeah, I already have a B.
Okay, who knows already how to draw the word like this with the 3D effect like that? Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Why? Why? What happened?
I cannot write bullying.
Yeah. Oh, bullying is easy. B U double L please. Y now Y I N G. Bullying.
ING.
Yeah. G.
NG. Yay, I do it bullying.
Oh, Ruth, wait. You have to write it bigger, yeah, so that people can see your word. Okay.
I
Like Mr. Al, stop bullying so that people can see that. Remember, guys, you have to write it bigger. This is the poster, not a comic, yeah? If it is comic, so that you just can draw the word so small. Okay, draw it bigger, Ruth. Come on. Make the letter more bigger than usual. Like this.
I'm already at the finish line.
Yeah.
Yay, I did it. It looks like a 9.
Yeah. Oh my God. I was surprised that you can make it like 3Ds like that. Thank you, Ruth. I thought you cannot do it, but you can do it. Wow, I trust you now. You guys are
I did a
all.
love heart. I'm already drawing love heart. Look, it looks like a donut. Stop it.
Come on, Ivo. I want you to write down stop bullying big. Yeah?
I wanna make the hair thicker actually.
Yeah. Bullying stop.
As you can see the lines. Hmm.
So, you guys are actually helping others outside there.
Mr. Al,
Yeah.
I was sleeping in the car this time. Now I'm very sleepy.
Oh,
What?
Mr. R is also sleepy now. But when we go into bed and then we lay down ourselves, I cannot sleep. But while I'm studying, sometimes I feel so sleepy. Stop
This is
bullying like that. Come on, Alithia, you have to try to draw the word, yeah?
it's wrong. It's an I.
Yeah.
That's an I.
Wow, that's so big. Good job, Alithia. It's okay. Try to make it more thicker. Add more line on the left and the right side. And then, yeah.
How do you cover it?
Oh, I think I forgot one word, one letter. Yeah. I forgot one letter here. I will draw it small. Okay.
Oh my goodness, that is too close to the head.
Yeah. Okay, stop bullying. That is our big message to everybody. Now,
Dot, get out, dot.
yeah. Now, we already creating the big headlines, drawing the object. We have to put the message inside here. Please insert a message. You can put writing something like, uh, we need to get along so that we will having a lot of friends, for example, like that, or you just put some small message here. Make friends is more effective, or I like to make friends, something like that. Okay, you have to put the message.
This
Or
is jacket.
yeah,
This is leopard.
you have a message, Ivo, to write down for the bully later on. All right, everyone, you need to create your own message. Yeah, you have to insert your message inside your poster so that people will read it, and then they will stop doing it because you already put the message here. And the message needs to be very different. Alithia message will be different with Evo. Evo also have maybe having the different message also with Ruth like that. Okay, if you want to put your message, put it now. It can be a comic bubble word like speech bubble, like I love making friends, or let's make friends together, or let's make friends forever. Yeah, now Ruth is writing I miss you. Oh, that's really cute. And then what else, Ruth?
Why Lori? Why Lori?
I love you.
I love you.
Be creative. Come on, be creative, Ruth.
Maybe I can just draw down here.
Yeah, I love you. So the sister loved the brothers because the brothers always taking care of her every day.
I love you 100.
100 times?
Yes.
Yeah. How about you, Alithia? What is your message inside your Stop Bullying poster?
It says make friends.
Okay, let's make friends. You can put let's.
Oh yeah.
L-E-T apostrophe S, like this. L-E-T apostrophe with S. Let us make friends.
This time I'm writing let's play.
Oh, let's play. Yeah, that will be the message. Yeah, let's play. I love you 100 times. I miss you. Don't write I kill you. Yeah, that's not a really good word.
What?
No. Just forget about it. Yes.
What did you just say?
No. Just forget about it. I'm just mistakenly saying a bad word. Sorry.
Oh, but
I don't
you
want. I don't want. Yeah.
something. It's just for example.
Yeah, it's just only for example. Yeah. All right.
But I want to hear it again because I cannot hear.
No, I said that don't write a bad word like I kill you or I hate you. No.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just.
I will never ever write that.
Okay, cool then.
Me too.
All right. After that, you have to write. To color your object with colorful.
Painting. Let's get painting, Mr. Where is the paint?
Yeah.
Just leave it with that. Don't mix.
So this is the fun part. We're going to paint our object, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my
If
goodness.
you're having a new,
Happy that Mr. has the same paint palette.
yeah, Evo have a same watercolor with me. That's really cool.
Yours is a little bit messy. Okay, okay.
Okay, Ivo, why you choose the watercolor like me? Is it because you have so many colors or what?
Okay, I'm back. I am back now. Because my red is not the normal red.
Okay, I think Ruth, you're really good. Making a good poster. I want you to color it. Don't worry, Ruth. Today is our goal is not so tough. Yeah, we just only like to express our thought and our ideas into a poster. I'm afraid if I give you a lot of drawing lesson, like drawing the people, you will get bored, and then yeah, the lesson objective will not be achieved later on. Then, right? Don't forget after this you have to present. Yeah, what is bullying? How many bullying type that you already wrote just now? I thought that you still remember, right? Okay. There is a physical bullying. There is verbal bullying. There is social bullying. There is cyber bullying. Cyber bullying is when you are, for example, you spread your friends' face in the internet so that people will laugh at him or her. That's really, really, really rude, and it's really, really mean. Yeah, don't do that, please. Don't share your friend face into the internet with a negative tagline so that people will be laugh at him or her later on. That's really, really.
Why the boy is smiling but like a little bit scary?
Is it scary?
Yeah. It looks not nice.
Oh, I'm sorry then.
What are
Oh, the
you?
boy is opening the mouth. It's like hi, like that, right?
I think he's shy.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I agree.
What are you talking about? No, Mr. Al's drawing. But the mouth is okay.
Is
No,
it?
it's because of the boy's smile. It looked kind of a little bit scary. No, and mean. It's fine, Evo. It's fine.
Guys, is bullying is positive or negative?
Negative. Is it negative?
Yeah, I agree with you, Ifo.
Oh my god.
Bullying is negative. Please don't do it to your
I
friends.
forgot to take a tissue.
Don't be a bully, okay? Okay, I'm done. Now I can go through my neighborhood and I'm going to yell, screaming, stop bullying everybody. This is my poster, okay? And I'm going to.
Aja dibersihkan.
Okay. How about Ruth? Are you working with your pen now, Ruth?
Color in the lines.
Okay, that's cool.
All right. Then I want to say that I have a knife and I will kill you. That's a bad one.
Yeah, that is a bad one. Okay. But if you say it in the jokes, for example, you make a joke with your friend, I think your friend is already understand, yeah. But don't tell to the strangers or to the new friend, which is they don't really know you. And yeah, just say a positive and polite word. Okay. Trust me, that will you will creating your own problem if you saying a bad word to your friend because your friend uh may tell the teachers. You will be okay. How is it, Alithia?
I am following.
Alithia, have you ever bullied by somebody?
I think no, because
All of your friends is good. It's a good person.
sometimes mean.
No, sometimes mean like what?
Sometimes that we fight.
Sometimes you fight about simple things, and then how you solve your problem?
I just don't be with them.
Just ignore them or what?
Yes, I just ignore them.
Yeah, I think that is one of the strategy. If your friend is a bully, and then he or she always like repeatedly or always like behaviorally always try to make you feel sad by saying something bad. First, you can ignore them, but if it is keep on doing it, if that person is keep on doing it, and then you think that this is not correct, you can go to the adult. Yeah, you can go
Yes,
to your
I
authorities.
was very shy.
Yeah, you may go to your authorities like your teachers or your mommies, and somebody need to stop it. Okay, if you cannot solve your problem, just try to ask somebody else to help you.
Remember that when I was like first grade elementary, I was my name on my pencil. I don't know the pencil color.
And then
Yeah, it got with one of my friends,
and then
and I was like, no, I just put it on my I don't know a case for your pencils. It's a case.
mhm, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, if in your school, if your teacher asking you to create a poster, don't forget 4 tips to make your poster look stunning. The first one is write down the headline bigger because people may see it from a different angle and different in the distance. Yeah. If you write stop bullying too small, maybe people cannot read it in the distance. That's why now, good job for Ruth and Alithia. You create a very big letter. Stop bullying, something like that. Okay, if you write it too small, later on your poster will cannot be read by somebody, and then it is failed. Then the message will not effectively read by somebody else later on. The second one is draw the object. Okay, the object can be a sign, can be a symbol, can be a person to make your poster looks more attractive. Okay,
Okay.
in this case we only focus on the positive one. We draw 2 people holding hand together and then saying a positive word like stop bullying, something like that. And then the third one will be put inside the message. Insert the message into your drawing. For example, let's make friends. Let's play together. Let's respect each other. Something like that. And the last but not the least is color it. Put so many colors to make the poster looks attractive and impressive, of course. Something like that. Okay, after this, you guys need to present one by one. Okay. Hi, Ivo. You look so serious. Nice. Good job.
I'm working while I am talking.
Yeah, okay. Actually, yeah. I'm happy if you focus on your work. Yeah, I'm just afraid if sometimes if students talk a lot, they will not finish their job. They will not finish their artwork. It will be affecting the score also then later on.
Drawing Fluttershy, and there is another pony. But
Oh, you
it's
draw the little pony?
like, yeah, but it's equestria girls. I got it
Jangan
told.
pakai itu. Nanti aja.
Okay, that's interesting. I want to see that later after you're
I
done. Right? Today, actually, the point is you need to know the meaning of bullying. I will ask you later on to make sure that you are understood the content or not. The second one is the tips how to make the poster looks effective. Yeah. And then the last one is I hope you guys get the message that bullying is not our culture. It's not you. You are a very nice person. You're a nice student. You're a nice kid. Please, if you ever watch somebody else try to bully somebody, please ask them to stop with polite manners. Yeah.
But what if they bully to us?
Yeah. At least you already remind them to not doing the bully, right? Just say it in a polite way. All right. For example, Mr. Al bullies somebody, and then you just, Mr. Al, I'm sorry, but I think
Jangan.
you should not bully my friend because you said
Pakai itu loh, warna yang
something like that. Yes, Ruth, you want to say something? Yes, Ruth, you want to say something, Ruth?
Just want to say a joke because why I don't want to draw something?
Why?
Because I'm bored.
You bored? You feel bored now?
I don't feel bored. That's just a joke, Mr. Al.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Al is sometimes not turn in my. I
Oh,
I always like feel everything very serious. Yeah.
I want to draw this little heart.
Okay, while you're drawing, I'm going to sing a song.
Yay!
Please
Yay!
follow
Not
me.
the ugly one.
I will sing the Frozen movie, the second edition.
apa sih? Mau
The
cuci.
song is the title is Into the Unknown. Okay,
Cuci cuci lah.
Hey, do it now.
okay. Into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown.
What? Your voice is going down. Like this, like this.
Like
Into
that.
the
Oh, like that. Into the unknown. Is it
boys
nice,
can
huh?
sing like that. But I love it, by the way.
Is it like that? Is it correct, Ivo? Ruth?
Yep. No.
Oh, you have to be honest, please. It's okay. Mr. I will be accepting everything you this unless you guys.
Ruth, Mr. Al has been working hard.
Yeah, I keep on
No, but
practicing.
the voice is going down.
I keep on practicing singing, okay?
You're a little bit rude.
Yeah. But I don't know why that I still cannot sing properly. Okay, I will change the song then.
Can you say
It's so tall.
you need to sing the steps of my song, and so you say that what am I doing with I don't know what to say. Okay, so how about you try to sing Pinkie Pie song? Smile.
Like what?
Smile. Name is Pinkie Pie. What's up? And I am here. I'm gonna make you smile, and I will brighten up your day. It doesn't matter how. What's up? If you are smiling, it makes me. Wait, Ruth, your cap that you have next to you is like mine for brushing my teeth.
Ivo, your voices look so cool. I mean, I think Ivo and Ruth is a good
It
singer.
makes me happy when because I do. It makes me happy when this happy friend of mine. Yeah, I know. No, it's not like that, mommy. It's not like that.
And it's sticky pie. Na 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 na. Gitu ya? Is it like that?
What
Okay.
now?
I will change my song then. I will sing.
Mr. Al, when you sing like into the end, like that, it sounds like it sounds like craziness frozen. And this is my favorite part when Elsa sings this into the end. I know, right? It was so funny. And then she broke the screen. Okay, enough with the laughing. But I love laughing. Why do you turn off your camera? Oh.
Oh, because I already done. And then you don't have to color everything. But if you want to color it, that will be much more appreciated. Okay, I will change the song. I will sing.
My name is Pinkie Pie.
No. The Jasmine's song.
A whole new world.
A whole new world. A new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no or where to go. Say we only dreaming. Is it nice?
Already give a clap. I love it.
No, you lied to me. My voice is not really good, right?
I can sing like this. I can sing nonsense song. It's called Why I Will Never Forget You.
Okay, one by one. Ruth first. Ruth, come on, sing a song.
It says, well, this is the song about why the trees are green.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, go.
This time is a wonderful day, and I'm having so much fun. Just like that. Well, the song is short, and then blah finish.
Okay. How about you, Ivo? Ivo, now your turn. Sing one song.
Well, I'm a little bit shy.
Oh, shy? No, please. Ivo and Ruth are good in singing. You don't need to be shy. Okay, be confident. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Show me your cuteness. And so naive, we didn't understand our destiny till we find the elements tonight forever. Thing we can do when we're together, and all those fears that we have faced. Okay, blah 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 blah. I
know the chorus. This is the last song. Oh my, the last song.
How did you know it? I have a song again.
Okay, how is it?
It's about I forget the song's title, but I wanted to sing. Oh, I now know it. It's called Smile, but I already know the how can I not know the title? Silly me.
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, go.
My name is Pinkie Pie. What's up? And I am here today. How you doing? I'm gonna make you smile and up. We'll brighten up your day. It doesn't matter how. What's up? If you are sad or blue, honey, it makes me happy when you be.
Yay.
Sunshine, come on, every pony. Smile, smile, smile.
Bravo, 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 everyone. Now, Alithia, I want you to sing. Alithia, please, one song. It can be a K-pop song, or it can be a Japanese song, Chinese song. Ready, Alithia? 1, 2, go.
Got the song.
Okay, we have fun.
I'm gonna try to think of a song.
Yeah. Think about one song, please, Alithia, that you can sing. You get it now?
Wait. I don't know.
You can sing a K-pop song.
I don't know.
Ya, boom, ya.
Jangan. Iya, soalnya kamu nyucinya nggak bersih.
Cucinya nggak bersih. What is that?
Oh, maybe do not clean the brush properly. That's why the brush is so thick, and then the color will be so messy. That's all.
Okay, we got it.
Okay, guys, please listen up. Our friend Alithia want to sing something. Ready? 1, 2, go.
I forgot.
Oh, that is a Ariana Grande song, right?
No,
Oh, Taylor Swift.
no.
Yeah, Taylor Swift.
Wait, what song was that again? It's called When You Were My Clarity. Oh, Clarity! Alethea, can you sing properly?
No, I think Alithia already know how to sing, yeah? Her voice is very good. Compared to Mr. Al, Alithia is number 1. Compared to Mr. Al, Ruth is number 1. Compared to Mr. Al, Ivo is number 2. So I will be number 1. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Ivo is more good than Mr. Al. I'm sorry.
Yeah, because girls have the special voice, not like boys.
Yeah, I wish I can be the girls. Can I be the girls?
No.
I will.
Good boy.
I will buy some wig, the long wig, and I'm going to tie my.
What? You look a little bit like a girl. If you want to look yourself like not a girl, you have to like cover your mustache.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, some makeup. That's a look.
Yeah.
I have a song.
Yeah. Come on, sing the song then.
Cause girls like you belong that beat you gonna like. I know that song. Like you, yeah. Girls like you belong that beat you gonna like. Come to I need a girl like you, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah.
Oh, I know the song, the singer. It's
Me too.
Maroon 5.
It's Man 5. What was it again?
Yeah, Maroon 5. Girls Like You, right?
That is my dad's favorite song.
Yeah.
That is also my favorite song.
Like you, I wanna please you, I look like you. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to go like you. And we forgot the rest. I forgot.
Okay, who wants to present now? Mr. Al, very sleepy. Oh my god.
Can I sing something?
Yeah. Come on, Eva, sing one song. Ready?
I
1, 2,
also know
go.
the song. Let's go sing it together.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, go.
Let's sing it together. Come on, Ruth, let's just sing it together.
Tut, ayo, Vincent.
Ruth, your pen palette is like Mr. Alice and mine.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Right, I think everybody, you have to be ready to present. Don't forget, you have to say your name. Do it properly, yeah? No need to rush. Just do it properly as best as you can. You have to pronounce your English clearly. Okay, clearly. It doesn't have to be so English like the English person, like a native person speaking.
But let's go sing the I Will Never Forget You song.
Yeah.
No, I am still working. My mommy. Yeah, but you can work and sing.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay. Oh my God.
Come on, running. Keep running.
Alithia, are you done? You want to present it now?
And 3, 2, I'm not. 1. Let's go sing. Go.
Oh, cool. That's really cool. Oh, Alithia, I think you need to trace down the line of the people, yeah?
Where?
The object.
Oh yeah, the majestic smile. Ah.
Wow, you clear too?
Yes.
Yeah, cool, 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 cool. Wow, this one is more better, I think.
Which one?
The bottom one.
This one or this one?
The white one.
And you are always be by my side.
Yeah. But yeah, maybe you need to color it. It's okay, you don't need to color it. Sometime, wait, sorry, I'm sorry. Sometime in poster, you don't have to color everything. It doesn't have to be like a painting. But yeah, at least the message and the headline need to be very big so that people can see. Are you ready, Alithia? I will give you 3 minutes until 5 minutes to present. Don't rush, slow down, tell everything that you want to tell it to everybody, and then say the message, and then that's it. Ready? 1, 2, go.
My name is Olivia, and this is my poster. As you know, it's like there's no outline because I use something like this. So here I draw some cute eyes.
Hmm.
These cute eyes I learned from YouTube, and I color this boy's hair green, and the shirt is yellow with a star, and he's holding a little friendship wand, and also he's wearing a friendship bracelet. Even the other friend right here.
Mm-mm. Okay, where's the headline?
What is the headline?
Headline is the, yeah,
Oh yeah, here.
title, the big title. Where is the headline? Can you show me where is the headline?
Here.
Which one is the headline?
It says stop bullying,
Yes.
and let's make make let's make us friend. The other one says kind of like cool.
Yeah, that is the message. Yeah, thank you so much, Olivia. Okay, I want to test you. Yeah, because we already watched the slide. What is bullying for you, Olivia?
Bullying is means that it's like a lot of fighting.
A lot of fighting, a lot of forcing, a lot of domination.
Like my brothers, they always fight
Yeah,
each
and then
other.
what we call for the one who doing the bullying? What we call for the person who's trying to always make us hurt, make us cry. The what? It came from the word.
Physical bullying and cyber bullying. I forgot.
No, we call the person who bully us with the name bully, the bully or the bullies. Bullies means so many people, like they are in a group, okay? Do you
Okay.
understand now? All
Yeah.
right, how many type of bullying?
I can't.
How many type of bullying? You can choose either 4 or 10.
What?
Yes, 4. One is, the first one is what? What type of bullying?
Physical.
Physical bullying, yeah? Means that the bully will kick you, will punch you, will hit you. The second one is what? Physical and verbal. Do you still remember verbal?
Yes, verbal.
And then the third one will be social.
Social.
Yeah, social. And the last one is cyberbullying.
Cyber.
Yes, cyberbullying. They use internet to spread the the false negative messages. Okay, Alicia, are you happy with that?
Can I sing something?
Wait, Evo, you will get your turn. Yeah, Alicia, do you understand now about the bullying?
Yes.
Okay, would you like to be the bully later on?
No.
Oh, good job. You don't want to be the bully, right? Be careful. Mr. Al sometimes asking you a trap question and then you don't, please don't be in a trap, okay? Thank you so much, Alicia. Your drawing looks very good. You can share it in your social media, in your Facebook or in your
I
Instagram.
wanna.
Yeah.
Say it loudly, please stop bullying. Now, who wants to be the second one? Who wants to be the risk taker now? Okay, now we need Ruth to present it.
Can I sing?
Oh, wait. Wait, we're going to sing together after this, yeah? Okay, Ruth. So Ifo will be the last one.
So, so about this one,
Oh, wait. Remember, you have to say what first?
my name.
Yeah, hi everyone. Do it
Hi
confidently.
everyone, my name is Ruth, and I draw this one.
The
Um, so
poster.
this so this girl wants to go to Philippines, so the boy will miss her, of course.
And then?
And the boy brought her a lollipop, and the girl brought, what is this? A paper to remind him whenever he is bored or sad.
Okay.
And I colored the the blue sky, but some of this go in here, but that's fine.
Mm-mm.
And I colored the message. And
Okay.
up
Yeah.
here it says stop bullying.
Okay. Okay, Ruth, where is the headline? Where is the big title? Can you show me?
At the top of here.
Yeah, stop bullying is the big title. Yeah, good job. Where is the message?
The
What?
message is down here.
Yeah, let's. What is that? I miss you. I love you 100 times. Yeah. Thank
Let's
you.
play.
Okay. Are you happy with that, Ruth?
Yeah, yeah, but I want to tell one more thing.
Yeah.
The boy said let's play, but the girl said yes, but the mom said no because she had to go to Filipina now.
Oh, is it the real story? Is it the true story or what? Is it in your...
It's, I just made the story in my head.
Oh, that's very creative, Ruth. You're very smart. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of bullying? What is bullying?
So bullying is forcing and fighting.
Yeah, forcing and fighting. Yeah, somebody trying to force you, we call it the bully. Okay, and then are you happy with your poster?
Yes.
Oh, would you like to be the bully?
No.
Good job. Sorry, I put a trap question, so you have to be very concentrate. Yeah, thank you so much, Ruth. You can share it in your social media later on. Stop bullying, everybody. Say that. Okay, now we have the last but not the least, the prettiest girl,
Oh.
Evo. Come on, Evo. Say what first?
My name is Ivo, and this is my drawing and painting.
Evo, I think your camera is too high. Make it a little bit more down.
I want to pin your video.
Yeah, okay. Now, yeah, you can tell your story now.
Oh, what a lovely drawing. So this is Fluttershy, but she's a human, and this is Applejack, which is a human. And she said, I miss you because she had to go back in Equestria.
And then?
And then Applejack was like, okay, I miss you too.
Okay.
And then she go to the portal, and then she cried. As you can see, the tears.
Yeah, where's the headline? Can you show me the headline, please?
Stop bullying!
Where's the message? What is the message?
I miss you.
Oh, I miss you. Okay. And then where's the object?
Why the M is like that?
Where is the object, Ivo? The object is the two kids, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, there's
okay.
two kids. There is one kid which is Fluttershy and one grown up which is Applejack.
Okay. What we call for the person who doing bullying? What we call for the person doing the bullying? What we call for him?
Bullying?
He is the bully.
Yeah.
Yes, he is the bully or she is the bully or bullies. Yeah. And then what will you do if you get
They are
bullied?
the bullies.
Okay, Ivo, what will you do if you get bullied by your friend?
Ignore them.
The second one is?
Talk to a parent or the teacher.
Yeah, talk to the adult, okay? All right, everybody, do you have any questions so far? Are you happy with this project today?
And I will sing. Yes.
Yes, Ruth, you happy?
100 happy.
Okay, thank you so much, everybody. See you
I
again.
wanted to sing.
What? You want to sing? Oh, you want to sing? Okay, let's listen to Ivo to sing. Ready? 1, 2, go.
I used to be so happy, but without you. Okay. Okay, why am I jumping around? Why am I jumping around?
Oh, my
What's
God. Okay. All right, thank you, Ivo. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye bye. I will sing next time.
Yeah, you will sing next time. Yeah, bye-bye. Oh, you want to sing?
I will sing.
1, 2, go. Sing.
My mommy doesn't want me to sing, so I need to leave the.
Yeah, it's okay. You can sing it again next week. Yeah. Bye-bye, Ivo. Bye, Alicia. Have a nice day. Have a nice
Thank you.
day. Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye.